Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing your data and enabling the pathways to modify the system. Back up everything. Once done, enable developer options, turn on USB debugging, and allow OEM unlock. Connect to a PC with fast boot tools installed and verify the device ID. You need the manufacturer's unlock token for some phones. Make sure to request and apply it before proceeding. This step gives you permission to replace the factory OS and is the gateway to installing alternate system software. Next, flash a custom recovery to manage installations. Use Fast Boot Flash Recovery with the correct TWRP image for your model, then boot directly into recovery to avoid stock overwrites. In recovery, verify the ROM package is compatible and stored on internal storage or sideload via ADB. Perform a full system data and cache wipe as required by the ROM instructions. This prevents conflicts. Once the device is clean, install the ROM zip, then optional G apps or add-ons. Finally, reboot into the new system and complete initial setup. This may take several minutes as frameworks optimize. Restore apps and data selectively to avoid reintroducing incompatible settings. Make sure to install any recommended drivers or kernel modules the ROM requires. If the phone enters a boot loop or instability, return to recovery, wipe cache and Dalvik, and try reflashing the ROM or a known stable build. If problems persist, flash the stock firmware to recover and reclaim warranty options before further modification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.